Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Facebook Fan Mentions feature. In 2026, the Fan Mentions feature is a tool within the professional dashboard, which you can access it by tapping on these three horizontal lines, then tapping on professional dashboard option. From here, the creator should allow a publicly highlight and thank their most engagement followers. And when you use this feature, Facebook generates a post or a story that tags your top fan, which helps build community loyalty and boost your reach through their profiles. Now to use fan mentions, all you have to do is head to this professional mode or professional dashboard, and from here head to your manage or view tool option, or just tap on this community option. Tap on this search bar. From here, search for from here you should be able to find your fans list, and however it is not shown in mine because I have not any fans or any members in my group yet, but you should be able to find yours over here. Now once you are there, and all you have to do is select a fan mentions. Tap on the fan mention tool. From there, Facebook will provide a list of your most active fans from the last week. From there, you can select specific individual or a group of top fans. Now choose a template, then you can add a custom message or a photo, and when you hit share, those fans will receive a notification that you mentioned them, and the post will appear in their friends' feeds, increasing their visibility. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out. And if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.